The product demonstrated today is an optical fiber finder, which includes a signal generator, a signal identifier, and a wireless receiver. Firstly, the optical fiber finder can work alone to judge whether there is optical signal in the fiber. It means there is no online signal of this fiber. And here, I simulate a test environment. I use this laser source to simulate the online signal. Okay, now let's test again. The fiber identifier can identify the signal direction from the left to the right, and the power strength, and also it can show you the fiber signal frequency. This is the fiber identifier function. When the fiber identifier and the fiber generator are working together, they can be used to find the specific optical fibers. Firstly, put the fiber signal generator to upstream of the signal. And at the other end of the optical fiber, the identifier can be used for detection. First, you need to start the generator. And next, you can use this fiber identifier to check. First, connect the fiber and switch to the mode Q. This is not the specific fiber. Okay, we check the next one. When a specific fiber is detected, it will loop displayed, and there will be a sound prompt, and the indicator will be flash. In order to facilitate the remote engineer's test, the engineer can use the wireless receiver. First, install the antenna and connect it with the identifier through the Wi-Fi. And also, install the antenna to the fiber identifier. Next, power on. And the fiber signal identifier and the wireless receiver will connect through the Wi-Fi. And here it means the connection is connected. Okay, let's start the generator again. Switch the mode 2. If you see the 6 LED display flashing up and down, it means that you have found the specific optical fiber. This product can find the specific fiber without disconnecting the service connection, which is very convenient to operate. The identifier has a universal fiber adapter, which can test different types of optical fibers without replacing the adapter, and there is no damage to the fiber during the test.